How to create a resume website on Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy and simple it is to create a website on your Squarespace dashboard that is going to present for yourself, for example, a portfolio website for having your, let's say, works, your resume online, or it is going to be for the purpose of um, let's say marketing for services that you're going to present by creating some CVs and also resumes. The process is going to be very easy and very simple. You are going to head over squarespace.com, sign in for an account, and here you are going to see the dashboard. Once you are here, you're going to head over the account dashboard, which is going to be here, and it is going to contain your websites. Now, what we're going to do is to click on create website. And if you're not familiar with a Squarespace, that means that you haven't created a website yet. You're not going to get this specific window, but instead you're going to get this. So it is going to talk about the topic of your website. This is the step one of three. So we are going to talk about the website topic, like here, resume. And we are going to see here, as you can say, resumes and portfolios, personal and CVs, jobs, job listing, and etc. We're going to create or select the type of resumes and portfolios. And from here, we are going to click on next. Now, what are we going to do? Basically, is to select the type of the elements that we want or the pages that we want to have in our website. Since we are going to sell some resumes or prepare for creating a resume, we're going to need to send invoices, for example, or create a contact form also so we can get the, let's say, information about our customers so we can create their CVs. Collect donations, no. Get appointments, maybe for courses. We are going to have here a master course or a master class to create some CVs or resumes or motivational letters. So showcase work and expertise, yes. Sell services, yes, we are going to do that. Here, as you can see, memberships, we are not going to be interested. Publish a blog or other media. Maybe it is going to be something that we are going to have in the future. Memberships, no. Sell online courses, yes. Sell products. So we can also build a community. We're going to click on next. Now, what are we going to do is to select the third step, which is going to be either creating a website with the Blueprint AI or use the designer template or the preset designs. So let's head over here and click on browse templates. From here, you're going to see all the type of websites that normally are going to be well with the specific type of websites or the topic of the websites that you have chosen. For example, we are going to provide services, courses, scheduling, also personal and CVs. We're going to get these. Now we are going to see here some of the templates. And of course, you're going to get or still get the button of build with AI. And that is going to help you a lot to create your website. Now, we are going to either choose one of the templates that are situated in here. So we have one of these, for example. This is going to be a portfolio, as you can see, website or a theme. Here we have this one, a coaching, as you can see, a website, and etc. So here you are going to use or select the most, let's say, suitable website for you. So, for example, I am going to have some this one is going to be a store. So we are going to head over the top because it is when you are going to scroll down, the more you are going to scroll down, the more you are going to get over the topic or aside from the topic. So I'm going to select this one, or we can go ahead and head over there and click on this one. I'm going to choose the color palettes or the presets that we can use. For example, you can use a dark theme, a light theme, something like that. Usually I go with lighter theme and not darker theme because it is going to be a little bit attracting depending on the topic that you have chosen. And as you can see, we are going to have here the website. So basically, I'm going to let the website build up little by little. And from here, we are going to give your website a name. For example, maybe Jack's resumes. And we're going to have it like this, Jack's resumes. And then we're going to head over the second step, which is going to present for you all of the steps that you have, also the advantages of your Squarespace website. Now here we have created our website, as you can see, which is going to have the modality of the preset or the template preset. So this is a pre-made template that we are going to have in here. For example, we're going to edit it and start maybe managing the pages. I'm going to exit it and explore the pages that we have. We have a lookbook, a blog, and a contact form. Also, the homepage is going to be in here. So I'm going to head over here. I'm at the homepage. Now, let's see here the lookbook that we have. This is a portfolio, blog, the contact. Doesn't matter a lot. Now, what are we going to do? Head over the homepage. We can go ahead and click on edit, and then we are going to, for example, let's start customizing the specific sections. Like here we have a presentation section. Hi, my name is, for example, Jack, for example, Smith. If you are going to put this website or this specific website as a resume or a real resume of your work, that means that you're going to create a portfolio website. You are going to have here a presentation about you only, not your services. So you are going to have this section only for you. I'm currently, for example, available for consulting engagement or maybe for consulting e-commerce projects, for example, like that projects, and boom. Now, what are we going to do is also to set up, for example, the presentation of yours. Then you can go ahead and put some pictures of yourself, maybe some, as you can see here, the specificities of your, let's say here, a little bit of your service, and also what are you capable of. This is going to be your portal. So basically, you're going to have here FAQs, for example, and etc. The other thing from here is going to be adding maybe a service that you are going to present, which is going to be creating some CVs. For example, you can add here a section, and that section is going to be maybe some adding a product service. So you're going to click on service and see the different services that you're going to provide. For example, our services in here, and then you're going to have here the name of the services added like that. So you are going to put here the nomination of the service. For example, here creation or simple, maybe simple CV or resume like that. Creation, maybe something like this is related to creating only resumes. For example, this is only for the resumes website. And if it is going to be your, let's say, service presentation, you're going to have here, for example, the portfolio of your, for example, simple creation of, let's say, simulation or market statistics. For example, statistics, for example, text like that, or for example analysis for competition. I think that you've got the idea in here. So you're going to present your services, and if you are going to sell resumes, you need only to have here some products added. So aside from that, I'm giving you here two options. Either it is going to be your own resume, like here presenting your services, or you're going to sell the resumes right away. So you're going to head over here, save, and click on exit. Now you can go ahead and head over the home. Then you're going to head over the products and services. You can create here, for example, a service for something like here creating some, let's say here resumes, creating, for example, something that is related to your project. For example, I'm giving you here the two sides of work. So either you are going to use it for creating resumes, or it is going to be your portfolio slash resume viewer. For example, here are going to add the product name like CVs creation, or it could be, for example, something like related to market analysis, for example, and then you're going to add an image, for example, like that, and here we have it. Do not use the library images but or the standard images. Please do use the uploaded file of yours. Then you're going to set up the price. course, the stock is not going to be something that matters, but you're going to add more details like a description. Please make sure that you are going to have here a detailed description of your work. So then the image, the price, and do not set up maybe subscription plan for a certain service, the categories, tags, and then you're going to have everything saved and published. When you finish that, you're going to head over here, settings, click on selling, and set up the payment methods of yours. This is very important. Then we are going to be good to go. Basically, that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.